Hello everyone. iPhone 16 has been released. Believe many people have already got it. But have you ever experienced the Apple logo during setup? No matter how you click or press it, nothing works? Don't worry, iToolab FixGo is here to help you. Firstly, go to the iToolab official website to download FixGo. Now, connect your iPhone to the PC. Choose Standard Mode. Click Fix Now and download the firmware. Now, fixing has begun. Congratulations! Your iPhone has been fixed. All errors have disappeared now, everything is normal on your iPhone.